All right, Calvin, what are we doing today? You're not going to say anything? We made an incredibly makeshift racetrack.
Yeah.
We're going to race color-changing Mega Rex versus the purple Mega Rex, Donkey Kong versus Bowser, Aqua Stallion versus Horsepower. Is that his name? Horsepower? Is that Horsepower, Calvin?
Yeah.
And then Son of a Digger versus Gravedigger. They're going to start up here, right, Calvin?
Yeah.
Then they're going to race down to our super makeshift racetrack. It took me like 30 minutes to figure out how to make this all work. That's the finish line, but they have to clear the what, Calvin?
No, Daddy. It says Wars, Daddy.
They have, what is that called? What are we calling that?
It's called like the Roars, Daddy.
Well, they have to clear the pit of sharks.
Yeah, Daddy.
And the loser goes in the pit of sharks no matter what, right, Calvin?
What, Daddy?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, that they say Wars.
Okay, let's get on to the first race. All right, our first race is going to be between the Mega Rexes. So grab the Mega Rexes, Calvin. No, both of them.
Okay.
Oh, you knocked Donkey Kong over. We'll figure that out later. Okay, hop up. You got to let them go at the same time.
Okay.
And go! Oh! The purple Mega Rex won. Okay, you got to throw the color-changing Mega Rex into the pit of sharks. Start him up there.
Okay.
No, not all the way up. Right here in the middle. Put him on there. He's got to fall in. All right. Send him. Oh, try again. No, we don't want him to clear it. He's got to go in there. Yeah! He's going to get eaten. Chomp! All right, we'll go to the next race. We've got Purple Mega Rex. He's the winner. We're going to grab him. We're going to put him right here because he won. Now, let's do... Nope, no, leave him in there. We're going to do Donkey Kong versus Bowser. All right. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, Donkey Kong beat Bowser. Take that, Bowser. Who won, Calvin?
Bowser won.
No, Bowser lost. He's got to go in the pit.
Okay.
Send him to the sharks. We missed again.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 trucks. 2 trucks in the pit. Okay, Calvin. Grab Donkey Kong. He won.
What?
Yep. So where does he go? He goes over here.
Okay.
Over here. He goes next to Mega Rex. Next to Mega Rex. Oh, why are you always knocking him over?
That's not right.
Yep. Who is it? It's Aqua Stallion versus Horsepower.
Yee.
Fire versus water. That's not where the slide is. You gonna run all the way around? Count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, no. We'll have to restart this race. Nobody won. But he got eaten. He got a little bite taken out of him. Here, let's try again. Somebody's got to win. 3, 2, 1, go! Same thing. Should we just call Horsepower the winner? Nobody only...
No, that's rest.
Oh, should we try one more time?
Yeah.
That happens again, we have to pick a winner.
Yeah. Thanks.
This time it's whoever crosses the finish line, I guess. You like my makeshift finish line sign? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my gosh. These are the worst monster trucks ever.
Yeah, Dad. David, try again.
One more time.
Okay.
Man, somebody's got to win. I get that our racetrack is not good, huh? Our racetrack's kind of not great. Do you think we're ever going to get a winner out of these two? Oh, now send him real fast. Oh, we got a winner! And Aqua Stallion's in the water where he belongs. All right, horsepower 1. Let's go put him with the other winners.
Okay.
Over here.
Yeah.
So put him right here. Yep. Now we've got Gravedigger versus Son of a Digger.
This one.
All right. This one better not take 10 tries. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, no. Should we try again?
Yeah.
You like doing this, huh? Here, go.
Thanks.
Why does that keep happening? Should we fix this? Is that why it's happening? Oh, you've got it all. No, hold on, let me fix it. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! Man, this is so anticlimactic, Calvin. Try again. You gotta get a winner. I don't know what's happening. It worked so good the first time. 3. Okay, they're just going. Oh. Let's try one more time.
Okay.
This is the last time. And then somebody's got to win. Three, 2, 1, go! Dang it. Is it funny not having a winner? Oh, don't throw him on the ground. Oh, okay. Send him. Oh, he missed everything. He might win. Wait, you got to do Son of a Digger now, the blue one. If he falls into the pit. Oh, you sent him to the pit anyway? You didn't even give him a chance. So Gravedigger wins? Wait, no. Calvin, Gravedigger won. No, we got to go to the semifinals. Put him next to horsepower. Nope, next to horsepower. Get down here. Okay, our semifinals is set. Who do we have? We've got Mega Rex. Hold on. Oh, this is what you want? You want to do it like that? Mega Rex versus horsepower. All right. 3, 2, 1, go! Dang. What's going on here? I swear we'll get a better... No, we got to send it again, Calvin. Go up to the slide. Three, 2, 1, go! Oh! Horsepower 1. Horsepower beat Mega Rex, Calvin. All right, you got to send Mega Rex into the pit of sharks. No, you missed. Send him in. Woo! How many trucks do we have in there now?
Shark this one.
5. No, wait. Horsepower 1. He doesn't go to the pit of sharks. Grab him. No, Calvin. He won. He's got to come over here. All right, he won. So we do Donkey Kong versus Gravedigger for our second semifinals race. 3, 2, oh. We don't have a winner again. Send him again. You have to go on 3, 2, 1, go, Calvin. Nope, get back up to the top. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, they're hitting the cardboard. Yep, try again. No, not from there. From the slide, from the top of the slide. Give him a little push up there. No. You're not a good listener, are you? Calvin, take him up top. Both of them. They have to race. All right, 3, 2, no, next to each other. 3, 2, 1, go! Into the pit again, we see. All right, should we just say Gravedigger won?
No.
No. They're both in the pit now?
She's dead!
Well, does that mean we have to have a finals race, Calvin? What's the finals race? Should we bring in, since we have a shark pit, should we bring in the king of the sharks, Megalodon, for our finals? Our horsepower has to race the horsepower races Megalodon. Get up on the couch, Calvin. For the finals, horsepower versus the king of sharks, Megalodon. Put them next to each other. Megalodon. Who wins? 3, 2, 1, go! Who won, Calvin?
Horsepower wins.
Horsepower won?
Yeah.
Megalodon, the king of sharks, ends up getting eaten by all those sharks, huh?
Yeah.
And horsepower is our winner. Kind of. We'll get a better racetrack sometime, but look at how much fun you can have if you just be creative, huh, Calvin? Calvin,
But,
we're talking to YouTube.
yeah.
Did we have fun?
Yeah.
You're gonna keep playing with this, huh?
Yeah.
All right. We can have fun if we're creative, huh, Calvin?
Yeah.
We just got all our stuff together and made something out of nothing. All right, well, our winner is horsepower. Right, Calvin?
Yeah.
Okay, can you say bye to YouTube?
Bye, YouTube.
You're not even looking. You're not even talking to them. Say bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
See ya.
See ya.